Y'all, what it do is going on. Happy officially Tuesday because it is now 1:16 in the morning. Welcome again to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Y'all, today we're going to be talking about trading. And I'm very excited about this because I have not done a pocket options video in so long. It is crazy. It doesn't even make sense to me. But before that, my name is Jahania Perez. I am a mompreneur. I have a 9 to 5. I am a mother, fiance, and I do feel like I'm a serial entrepreneur at this point. I've been spending the past 2 days here in Texas revamping and editing my website, adding the custom t-shirt format on Ecwid that has been so challenging. I added custom bibs. I added custom onesies that I'm not publicizing yet until I find a wholesale vendor for the onesies and the bibs. But I saw it on another website and I thought it was so cute. It's so simple. Why not add it to the website? I like that. So in this video, we're going to be talking about my binary options broker, Pocket Options. In Pocket Options, you have easy withdrawals, you have easy deposit, and I can on the deposit because I do want to add. So this is going to be a quick, hopefully short video regarding tips. The first tip that I have for you right now, Bitcoin is going crazy. If I'm not mistaken, it recently hit 70K. But in the interim of that, you also have other currency pairs that you can use to deposit and withdraw. Now, when I went on Coinbase to see how much they were charging for the withdrawal, when I went on Coinbase to see how much they were charging me to send money from Coinbase to Pocket Option using Bitcoin, they were charging me $8.13. And I was like, that sounds like a little bit too much. So I swapped it over to Litecoin instead. It's another crypto. I checked Litecoin. Litecoin was charging $3.18 if I'm not mistaken, and that was so much better than paying $8. It also had a, little pop-up letting me know that I was not going to receive that money within 30 minutes, which was fine. When you're depositing money into your broker, right? It's usually done on the weekends. You're not depositing money during the weekday, my personal opinion. If I am ever depositing money during the weekday, that's because my account is low. And at some point I should have stopped trading and I did not. Or I received bonus money from somewhere and I want to put it into my trading account. So Saturday, I deposited $200 using Litecoin from Coinbase into Pocket Options. It said it was going to be 30 minutes. I promise y'all it was no more than like 3 minutes, probably less. I refreshed the page and the money was already there, which is perfect. That was trading tip number 1. When you are sending money from your crypto wallet to Pocket Options, check the different currency pairs and see what everyone else is charging you, because the fees for Bitcoin right now is ridiculous and it's everyone's go-to because that's what they know. So that's first things first. The second thing is the risk. So I restarted consistently trading, I want to say about maybe 3 months, could be 2 months, but maybe 3 months ago. And in the interim, my fiance gave me $100 to trade. I ended up losing the $100 because I took two $50 trade. He wanted me to take a $100 trade. Y'all, I cannot do it. My heart could not do it. So I took a two $50 trade. I lost it. I continued taking $50 trades and I won it back. So I ended up profiting $250 from that extra $100 fluff, which was awesome. Totally asking that before you start trading, prepare your risk. Know how much you're willing to lose. Know how much you're willing to trade per trade. Checking on the baby sleeping. Know how much you're willing to risk per trade. So what I was doing is that I was risking 15% of my entire account, which was madness, but I was making money, so I was not mad. Now I'm more at a calm state with my trading. I was able to withdraw, I want to say almost $450. Y'all, I know for sure. I remember 100, I remember 250, and I remember the other one. Anyways, I made some money for the month of February, which is what I wanted to do with trading. So my goal with trading is to flip my money, to make money, not just have it sit there looking pretty and then end up losing it. So I like withdrawing. I like withdrawing during the week, at least every Friday. I am overdue for a withdrawal. But definitely know your risk when you guys are starting to trade. Now, in this trading week, I just took 4 trades. I went 3-1, and Euro USD was paying out 46, 47, and then 51%, which is very low. It's disgustingly low. And I've been listening to some of these YouTube gurus. One in particular highlighted taking the trade anyway. If your confluences add up, you're confident, by all means, go for it. Nothing's stopping you. Just know that you're risking more than what you're willing to make. In the essence that my minimum is 70%. If it's not paying out 70, I'm not even wasting my time doing the chart analysis. But last week was not a great trading week. I ended up losing more money than I was making. I took too many trades, and now I'm going back to, okay, let's focus on the confluence and let's focus on market condition and also pay attention to the news. So we have that also. And the next trading tip that I also want to add is to study the candles. Hi, how are you? To study the candles. In the interim of trading, we do have all of these different 20 million indicators that work. The indicators work because they're showing you what price did in the past, right? And what one of my educators highlighted in the past at I Am Mastery Academy, he was talking about not solely depending on the indicators. The indicators are great, they're awesome. You have patience, you're using the 3 candle rule to execute your trade, amazing. But you want to study the candle. You want to be able to read the candles as they're closing, as they're opening. Once a candle closes, you will know whether it's a doji, you'll know whether it's a hammer, you'll know whether it's what's it called, a marabuzu, you'll know if it's a reversal pattern, you'll know. And that is what I'm currently studying. So I'm highly suggesting that you study the candle. Get the Candlestick Bible. You can watch a few free YouTube videos on candlesticks and learn to identify these candle patterns. Learn to look back 2 days ago, 2 years ago, whatever the case is. Go as far back as you need to on 15-minute lowest. Do not go back on a 5-minute looking at previous candles, because although I do chart on 5 minutes, execute on 15, I still look at the overall analysis of the market when it comes to studying. So for studying purposes, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, for studying purposes. Next tip, support and resistance, SRTs. Let's get it together. Again, YouTube gurus, they might, like they say, cap a lot, but in essence, they throw some gems because they sort of kind of know what they're talking about, but not really. You know what you're talking about when you can be profitable in the market. So I'm not just standing here talking to you guys, letting you guys know what to do. I'm also making withdrawals. There is a difference. For SRTs, support and resistance, you want to look at higher highs, you want to look at lower lows, you want to see where the market recently broke, where it hadn't broke. And in the past 3, 4, 5 hours, build your support and resistance based on that, not just adding lines, but also add colors. You have your red for your sells, your blue for your buys. Keep it simple, do not overcomplicate it. And I'm loving the in essence because what I've recently added is boxes, rectangular boxes instead of just a line. And this is what they look like. So in this section, I created a box to mark up support and resistance. This way I know in this area, I should be looking at potential sells or I should be looking at potential buys. Next, you have checking your news, which is the first thing you want to do. For me, sometimes it's the first, sometimes it's the last. Sometimes I'm already in the trade and I'm like, oh crap, what is on the news? And then I go check and I'm like, that's why I got spiked out. So checking for the news is crucial as a part of a trading plan. This is the current trading plan that I have. In this trading plan, I created my confluences. I added my indicators and specifically what it is that I look for. I also added my rules, and in another trading plan, I also added some tips for if the market is trending, I can use this. If the market is just ranging, I shouldn't use this. It has been a godsend when it comes to properly sitting down and prepping for a trading session instead of just, well, let me see what Euro USD is doing and execute from there. The next tip that I have for you guys is to have confidence in your trade. And I like this one. Y'all, this one I've heard multiple times, and in the past 2 weeks I've heard it once. And this came from Nes Vasquez. I was watching Rockstar FX YouTube channel and he highlighted this, to have confidence in your trade. And I like that because when I'm trading, I promise y'all, I'm listening to Rockstar FX do his live trading session, recorded of course, and the way he thinks out loud is the way I think in my head. So I'm like, okay, so I'm not crazy, because when it's time to finally execute and pull that plug, like I could have all the risk management in the world and I'll still be like, was that a good entry? Should I have waited one more candle? Am I too late? Like those doubts automatically start to kick in. And also the twin trading that I've been doing, that's been saving me, but also kicking me in the ass sometime when I lose, because I win double, but when I lose double. So definitely want to have confidence in your trade. Night with 46, 47, and 51% trade payout, confidence, because I'm risking $12 to make $5. What is that? That's nothing. Not a full 50%. And even when it went to 51, I was like, $5.97. That's it. I need to go to sleep. The next thing is knowing when to stop. So for me, I am creating a 4-5 max. So the fifth one is I need to get one more in. On a daily basis, I am going to, and I am declaring this on YouTube, I am going to take a minimum of 4 trades. Y'all, I almost got caught. I think I did get caught. It's 1:54, and I don't know what time I left off at. So baby's back asleep. Now, the last thing that I was talking about is knowing when to stop. Knowing when to stop. Set a limit. Like I stated, I have 4 trade limit and 1 extra one, depending on how I'm feeling with trading in these markets. You need to have a stop. Either you want have a percentage that you want to stop when it comes to risk, or you have a specific number of a goal. So if you're taking X amount of trades, okay, when I get to X amount of dollars, I'm going to stop trading. When I get to 5 trades, I'm going to stop trading. When I lose 2 trades, I'm going to stop trading, or 3 trades, I'm going to stop trading. So know when to stop. Either your percentage, your dollar amount, the amount of trades that you're taking, or the amount of losses that you've taken. You don't want to lose more than you make. And in essence, when you lose more than you make, you need to stop trading. You should have stopped trading a long time ago. Why are you still in the market? Now, I want to make sure that you guys are liking the video, engaging in the comments, letting me know what you guys want to hear. Y'all, momming, trading, content creating is real. I am doing it. I don't want to hear no excuses from no one else. It is possible. Probably not as effective as everyone else when it comes to time and pushing these videos out, but we're getting them out. Lastly, 3 points. Proper risk management. Let me share this Excel spreadsheet with you guys. Now, in this Excel spreadsheet, when I speak on proper risk management, I am talking about knowing how much money you currently have in your account, how much you're willing to risk, how much you're willing to make, and out of the percentage that I put in this Excel spreadsheet will let me know my dollar amount of when to stop trading and my dollar amount of when to stop trading. So I have my cap at how much money I am set to make and how much I should stop if I get to this dollar amount, which is great. Helps me keep accountability and also makes me pay attention to my trading patterns so that I can see what it is that I'm doing in the markets, and I'm not just out here just taking trades and not paying attention to my proper risk management. Then, as I stated earlier, I showed you guys my trading plan. Trading plan, keep it simple. I have multiple different trading strategies that I've found in the past 4 years that I've been trading Forex binary options. It's a lot of information. But right now, I'm solely focusing on maybe 6 or 7 different confluences slash confirmations slash indicators. In addition to, of course, like I said, paying attention to what the market is doing. And then lastly, let me share with you guys this trading journal. In this trading journal, what I have is a history captured of my trades and how much I cleared by, how much I lost by, the expiration time that I've set, dollar amount that I've set, and which currency pair I am currently trading. And I like this because it shows me on top of having, let's say, 4 to 5 trades that I want to take per session, I can also see this written out clear as day. Literally, how many points I cleared the trade by. And you guys know 10 points in binary options is equals 1 pip. So having 1 pip in profit and 10 points in profit is completely different. And this is where binary takes the advantage, because in the time that you're taking to catch 20, 30, 40 pips, I've taken multiple trades within that time frame and either made money, lost money, ended up with an overall additional 5 to 75% in my account of accrued interest free of taxes, or I've lost. There's no in between. It's either you winning or you losing. Make sure that you guys are staying consistent. Make sure that you're studying. Make sure that you're always remaining a student. And y'all, I'm dropping the links in the description for pocket options if you're interested on this broker so that you guys can use my affiliate account. I am dropping also my website, mavayaya.com. Make sure y'all check us out. I'm looking at the bags on my eyes. Like, this is ridiculous. Oh, I just put my eye out. Not literally, but Jesus. I am looking at the bags under my eye and it looks crazy. It is bedtime. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and I started this video at 1. I started this video at 1 and I had to go put the baby to sleep and ended up almost falling asleep. So y'all, make sure to check me out. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share, drop in the comments what you want to see next. Y'all, Pocket Gems, I have a video on that. I'm going to tag it here if you guys are interested in claiming some of your losses. Yo, this was a game changer when I was actively highly trading binary options where I can go back and ask for a refund and the broker would give me my money back. The Pocket Gems, amazing. Make sure y'all check that video out. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. I'm here. Y'all, have a good night. Happy Monday. Happy Tuesday. I'll catch y'all on the next one.